Students will multiply 2 by 2 numbers using strategies based on place value and properties of operation. Hello boys and girls, today we will be reviewing two multiplication methods. Be sure to pay close attention and practice your multiplications because tomorrow we will be playing multiplication bingo in class.
Okay, boys and girls, the first method that we will be going over is the lattice method. So in this problem, we have 32 times 47. So what we are going to do now is we're going to draw a type of a house window where you have to draw a square. Just like that. You write your 32, since it's your first number, 32. You do the times for your multiplication, then you write your second number, 47. So then you are going to separate these numbers. See how it's kind of like a house window? And then you're going to draw lines diagonally. So this is when the multiplication starts. So first you're going to get your 2 and your 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. So you're going to do 0, 8. Whenever it's only one digit answer, you have to put a 0 on the top corner. Next one is going to be 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. So you do your 1 and your 2. The next one is 2 and 7. So 2 times 7 equals 14. 1, 4. Next is 3 times 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. You do your 2, your 1. You're done with your multiplication. The next step is adding. So you are going to add diagonally. First, you do your ones place, which is 4. It's a single number, 4. Then you do your tens place. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. This is where you have to carry. You do your you do your 0 and you carry your 1. So the next one is 2 plus 2 equals 4 plus 1 is 5. Then you're going to do your thousands place. It's just 1 by itself, so 1. So the answer, you're going to read it this way, from left to right. So your answer is 1,504. For example number 2, we have 42 times 35. As you see here, we already have it set up. We're going to set it up the same way as we did on the last problem. So then this one, we start with a 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. So you put your 0 on the top corner and you do your 6 on the bottom. Next one is 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. You write your 1 and your 2. Next is 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Next is 4 times 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. So we're done with your multiplication. Now we add. So you add your ones place. It's a 0. So you just bring down your 0. We go to the tens place. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then we move to our hundreds place. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then we move to our thousands place. It's 1. Then we read our answer again from left to right. So our answer for 42 times 35 is 1,470.
For the second method, we're going to be looking at the Chinese lattice. So for our first example, we're going to be doing 23 times 21. So the first number we're going to use is a 2. So you're going to go from left to right and draw 2 lines. The second number is 3. So you're going to draw 3 lines. For the number 21, you're going to start on the other side and make the 2 lines for the 21. And then lastly, 1 line. Then we're going to be looking at these 3 areas. and starting from right to left, see where the lines meet. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lastly, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer for 23 times 21 is 483. For the second example, we're going to do 35 times 23. So for the first number, we're going to do 3 lines and 5 lines for the 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do 2 lines for the 23 and the 3 lines. Now we're going to circle those 3 areas. And starting from right to left, looking at where the area meets, the lines meet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So since it's a 15, we're going to put the 5 right there, and then we're going to carry the 1. So the lines meet in the second area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 plus 1 equals 20. So we're going to put a 0 here and a 2 over here. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So our answer is 805.